What makes a sport fishing yacht truly unforgettable? Is it the thrill it delivers in open water, or the trust it earns after countless miles at sea? Bertram Yachts has built a legacy in the boating industry by focusing on the details that matter most to serious anglers and seasoned captains alike. In this countdown, we'll explore 3 standout models that excel in challenging conditions, offering power, range, and control precisely when and where it matters the most. These yachts have earned their spot, whether you're after tournament victories or new fishing adventures. You'll definitely want to stick around to see which one comes out on top. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Taking the number 3 spot in this roundup is the Bertram 35 Flybridge, a compact yet determined vessel built with offshore intent. At 35 feet 1 inch or 10.69 meters in length and a beam of 12 feet 3 inches or 3.73 meters, this model offers a stable platform without overwhelming dock space or handling. Its draft of just 2 feet 9 inches or 0.84 meters provides access to a wide range of coastal and offshore areas, giving anglers more flexibility when chasing their next target. Equipped with twin 507 metric horsepower Cat C7.1 engines, the Bertram 35 Flybridge can reach a top speed of 36 knots or 66.67 kilometers per hour, delivering reliable pace for both quick repositioning and longer runs. The 310-gallon or 1,173-liter fuel tank and 50-gallon or 189-liter water capacity support day trips and light overnight stays without frequent resupply. With a displacement of 22,631 pounds or 11.32 tons, it's built to handle real conditions, not just calm water cruising. For anglers looking to start strong or downsize smartly, the Bertram 35 Flybridge's price typically starts at around $1 million. Securing the number 2 spot in this lineup is the Bertram 50 Express, aka Bertram 50 Sport. At 51 feet 6 inches or 15.70 meters in length, and with a wide 17 foot 3 inch or 5.26 meters beam, this yacht offers serious space for fishing, gear, and crew. With a draft of 4 feet 5 inches or 1.35 meters, it's ready for coastal runs and offshore pursuits alike. While its sturdy displacement of 63,294 pounds or 31.65 tons speaks to its presence on the water. Power comes from twin 1,150 metric horsepower Cat C18 Acer engines, pushing the Bertram 50 to a top speed of 43 knots or 79.64 kilometers per hour. Ideal for chasing fast-moving game or covering long distances quickly. Its 1,236-gallon or 4,679-liter fuel capacity and 180-gallon or 681-liter water tank allow for extended outings with fewer interruptions. Whether you choose the Express for open-air action or the Sport for a more enclosed helm, this model is designed for serious sport fishing with practical features to match. Expect pricing to land between $2.3 and $2.5 million. We're just about to reveal the number 1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Taking the top spot in this week's list of top-performing sport fishing yachts is the Bertram 61 Convertible. A vessel built with the demands of serious offshore fishing in mind and activities alike. At 61 feet 2 inches or 18.64 meters long, and with a commanding beam of 18 feet 3 inches or 5.56 meters, it offers substantial deck space and interior volume for extended trips. With a draft of 5 feet or 1.52 meters and a displacement of 91,000 pounds or 45.5 tons, this yacht is designed to hold steady even when conditions get rough. Driven by twin 1,925 metric horsepower Cat C32 Acer engines, the 61C reaches speeds up to 41 knots or 75.93 kilometers per hour, allowing anglers to cover ground quickly and adjust course without hesitation. A massive 1,700-gallon or 6,435-liter fuel tank and 280-gallon or 1,060-liter water capacity provide a range and support needed for longer expeditions. Whether you're targeting big game offshore or exploring new waters, the 61 Convertible is built for endurance and real-world functionality. Pricing for this flagship model starts at around $4 million. So, which one is your top pick? The Bertram 35, 50S, or 61C? They're all awesome sport fishing yachts, and honestly, they totally live up to their great reputation out on the water. When serious performance matters, especially for chasing marlin or planning offshore runs, these sport fishing yachts deliver. We'd love to hear about your boat choices and boating experiences, so please share them in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future yacht features, breakdowns, and buyer guides. More great content is on the horizon. Thanks for watching, and as always, smooth sailing!